Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best camping solar panel kits available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're heading off the grid, camping in an RV, or preparing for emergencies, these solar panel kits can make all the difference. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the PPQ 40-watt portable solar panel kit. This compact, lightweight solar panel is perfect for campers who prioritize portability. Weighing just 3.67 pounds and folding down to a briefcase-style design, it's easy to carry and store, making it ideal for backpacking trips or small-scale power needs. Despite its size, it boasts an impressive 24% conversion efficiency, thanks to its upgraded monocrystalline silicon and smart energy-saving algorithm. The kit includes Qi cables and 14 output options, including USB Type-C, DC connectors, and a 10-in-1 adapter set, ensuring compatibility with phones, power banks, and other small devices. Its 7-layer ETFE lamination structure adds durability, while the IP67 waterproof rating ensures reliable performance in outdoor conditions. However, the 40-watt power output is best suited for light use, such as charging phones or small camping gadgets, and might not support larger devices like RV batteries or power stations. Overall, the PPQ 40-watt kit is a fantastic choice for ultralight campers looking for convenience and reliable performance in a compact package. While it lacks the higher wattage and versatility of larger kits, its portability and quality design make it a solid option for minimalists. Pros: lightweight, compact design, high efficiency, and durable build. Cons: limited power output and not suitable for larger devices. At number 4, we have the Dokio 100-watt portable foldable solar panel kit. This lightweight solar panel offers impressive portability with its ultra-thin design, weighing only 5.9 pounds and measuring just 21 by 28 inches when folded. It packs a solid 100 watts of power, making it suitable for charging 12V batteries or power stations like Jackery, Goal Zero, and EcoFlow, making it a versatile option for RV camping or emergency situations. The kit includes an intelligent PWM solar controller with built-in protection features to prevent overcharging and short circuits. It also has 2 USB outputs for charging smaller devices directly. The high-efficiency monocrystalline cells ensure decent performance, even in less than ideal sunlight conditions. However, while this panel is a complete kit that works out of the box, its lack of a kickstand or mounting bracket may make optimal positioning slightly more challenging. In summary, the Dokio 100-watt kit is an excellent choice for users who prioritize portability and affordability without compromising too much on performance. Pros: lightweight and portable, versatile compatibility, and good efficiency. Cons: no integrated kickstand and may not be suitable for larger energy needs. Coming in at number 3 is the Dokio 150-watt portable solar panel kit. This model builds on the strengths of its 100-watt sibling, offering a higher wattage at 150 watts while still maintaining portability. Weighing only 9 pounds and folding into a compact briefcase design, it's easy to transport and store. With its 18V optimum power voltage, the kit is capable of charging 12V batteries, RVs, and power stations, making it a versatile addition to your camping gear. The monocrystalline cells ensure high conversion efficiency, allowing you to maximize power output even in smaller panels. It includes a 10A controller with protection against overcharging, as well as USB outputs for smaller devices. One standout feature is the availability of a supporting bracket and extension cable, which can be purchased separately from Dokio's store, providing flexibility in setup. However, like the 100-watt model, it lacks an integrated kickstand, which would have been helpful for easier positioning in direct sunlight. Overall, the Dokio 150-watt kit strikes a balance between portability and power output, making it an excellent choice for campers who need more power without sacrificing ease of transport. Pros: lightweight, higher wattage, and versatile compatibility. Cons: no built-in kickstand and requires additional purchases for support brackets. At number 2, we have the PPQ 200W Portable Solar Panel Kit. This powerhouse of a solar panel kit offers exceptional performance, combining 200W output with 24% conversion efficiency. The upgraded monocrystalline silicon and smart chip technology ensure peak performance in capturing and converting sunlight, making it a great choice for RV batteries, camping power stations, or larger devices. The design is as impressive as its performance. It folds into a sleek briefcase-style package, complete with a durable Oxford fabric exterior and military-grade ETFE lamination for long-term reliability. The 7-layer structure not only enhances durability, but also boosts sunlight transmittance to maximize efficiency. With 16 outputs and 4 cables, including USB Type-C, DC connectors, and a 10-in-1 adapter set, it supports nearly all devices and batteries. Plus, the IP67 waterproof rating ensures it's ready for rugged outdoor conditions. If you're looking for a solar panel kit that combines power, versatility, and durability, this PPQ model is hard to beat. Pros: high wattage, excellent efficiency, durable design, and wide compatibility. Cons: heavier at 14 pounds, which might be a drawback for lightweight campers. Finally, at number 1, we have the Renogy 200-watt Portable Solar Panel Kit. Renogy is a leader in solar technology, and this kit exemplifies why. Featuring 2 100-watt foldable panels, a waterproof 20A Voyager charge controller, and alligator clips for easy connection. This kit is designed to handle the demands of off-grid camping, RVing, and emergency power setups. The panels use grade A+ monocrystalline cells, delivering a stellar 22.5% efficiency, and the included adjustable kickstand makes positioning for optimal sunlight a breeze. The rugged aluminum frame and durable canvas case ensure longevity, while the advanced PWM charge controller offers multiple safety protections, including overcharge prevention. At 34.4 pounds, it's the heaviest kit on the list, but its performance and reliability more than justify the weight. If you're serious about off-grid power and need a kit that can handle large devices and RV batteries, the Renogy 200-watt kit is the gold standard. Pros: exceptional efficiency, durable build quality, and adjustable kickstand. Cons: heavier and pricier than others on the list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.